This meeting is being recorded.
For problem 11 from chapter 4, we're asked to name each of these compounds listed below. And these are bicyclic compounds. So they are named based on the fact that the parent compounds that we identify will be two fused rings. So that's what the term bicyclic is referring to, but we're still going to follow the same process, the same 4 steps that we followed with non-cyclic, acyclic compounds. So we have first step is to identify the parent, and that will be based on the number of carbons in the 2 fused rings. Then we'll identify the substituents, so anything that's not part of those 2 rings, those 2 cyclic structures. Then we will assign locants, like we did with, again, acyclic compounds. And last, we will alphabetize all of those substituents. So let's take a look at example A here and identify the total number of carbons in both rings. So I can start anywhere on the ring I like. I'm going to start at a bridgehead and count here. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 carbons in my first ring, and then this will make 8 total. So again, this would be an octane if we were to ID the parent. Then we see a substituent over here and a substituent here. So let's identify these. This will be an ethyl substituent, and this will be a methyl substituent. Now I need to assign locants to both of these, and I notice that on this bridgehead here I have a methyl substituent. So I'm going to start my numbering at this site here so I can ensure that the overall numbering of my locants in my structure will have the lowest possible numbering. So this will be my carbon 1, and I know that I have to go down the longest bridge first, so I'm going to travel here, and this would be on carbon 4, and then I'll continue 5. My second longest bridge I'll number next, so this will be carbon 6, 7, and this will have to be 8. So let's take a look here. Again, we have substituents identified. The locants would then be a 1-methyl and a 4-ethyl. When I name the rest of this parent, though, I have to travel down these bridges, right? So I'm going to travel down this bridge here, and I see that this is a 1, 2, 3 carbon bridge, and that will go in front of my octane, right? I'll have those 3 bridges that we have. So I have a 3, and then over here I have a 2 carbon bridge, and then up top I have a 1 carbon bridge. So this is now a 3.2.1 octane parent, and we know with all bicyclics we also have to designate them as bicyclo. So we'll squeeze it in here for now so we don't forget to include it in our final name. So let's try to pull all this together, and we'll name compound A. If we were to alphabetize, ethyl comes first, then methyl. We'll call this a 4-ethyl, 1-methyl, and the full parent would be bicyclo, following the longest to shortest bridge. We have a 3,2,1 octane. So this is the full name for our first compound, 4-ethyl, 1-methyl, bicyclo, 3,2,1 octane.